My name is Lollie and I love DIY, and I've been doing so many lovely projects in my house which we bought over a year ago, and this house was left as a rental, and even though it's got great bones, it lacked a little bit of love and a bit of quality in some of what's been done here. So it is an oldish, comparatively oldish house. It's, I think it was built about 12 years ago. So anyway, I've been having absolute ball doing all the renovations and home videos. So anyway, it always amazes me on how much paint can transform something. So it lightens, it brightens, it cleans the area or whatever you're working on. And I'm in love with paint. I've got a paint store. I've got a whole stack of paint ready to be used for all my future projects. We didn't know that we were going to buy this house, so this lovely home office at the front of the house was the place that it was meant to be, but I really didn't like the colour of it. So come along, watch what I do. Please subscribe, because I don't have any subscribers at the moment, which is sad, but I'm sure once I get some of these videos loaded up, I'm sure some of you will love what I do. All right, let's get started.